Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen, breaking news. Popular Jamaican comedian Nigel Theron Joseph, aka Majah Hype, has been arrested in Cobb County, Georgia, United States. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a breaking news.
Say hi to your friend.
We're watching Different TV!
Greetings and salutations, to all nations. Thank you for tuning in to Deep Roots TV. I'm Rastafari Soldier. If this is your first time, ladies and gentlemen, tuning in, hit that red subscribe button. Subscribe, like, and share. You're here. Ladies and gentlemen, a well-known Jamaican comedian known as Majah Hype has been jailed in Georgia, where he's facing charges of simple battery, felony charges for making terroristic threats and acts. He has been detained in Cobb County, the Sheriff Office of Adult Facility, for the past 4 days, according to Cobb County Sheriff Office. Hype, whose real name is Nigel Theron Joseph, was arrested and processed February 19th, 2023 and remain in custody without bond. Despite his recent arrest, Hype's social media account is active and are likely being run by an assistant. There were no further details surrounding his arrest by the law enforcement. This is not the comedian's first arrest in Georgia. Majah Hype was previously arrested in January of 2021 following an incident involving his ex-girlfriend Latisha Kirby Farrell. At the time, he was charged with kidnapping, making terroristic threat, and simple battery. He later bonded out of jail $15,000 US. The comedian also spent some time behind bars at the Cherokee County Adult Detention Center outside Atlanta for the same incident. It's unclear if the latest arrest is related to the case, but it is reported his ex-girlfriend appealed for a restraining order against him. Listen, Majah Hype, it seems like you have lost a major strike. You don't understand. 1, 2, 3 strike. Listen, them are going to give you some time for a habitual abuser. You feel watch yourself. Just like Jack Yor, who know a ramp with the island girl them, and don't know say, Kirby will guzzle you up. Listen, people, I'm not saying that the woman them evil, but them have some craft about them. Me I tell you say, some of them are hide and talk, and some of them brawling with it. Mr. Hype, me I suggest say, you calm down cause you have lost a major stripe. Georgia don't ramp with felonious people, especially the melanated male. Right now, you're behind bars sitting waiting in jail. You try to test the system offering, and you know, sister, you fail. Right now, your volume turned down mute. Listen, I'm telling you the truth and the approach. Youths, keep your hands to yourself, cause listen, you can't protect no one else but thyself. He has been detained in the Cobb County Sheriff Department Detention Adult Facility for a couple of days now. Been a couple of weeks because they said he has been arrested since February, the 19th. Nigel Theron Joseph. Yeah, we know him as Majah Hype. I'm Rastafari Soldier letting you know he was arrested. He lost a major stripe. It's February 19th. He's remained in custody, no bond, in a United States. When you put your hand on a woman, might as well you did use a weapon. they judge them no ramp with them thing ya. When the violence get domestic, you and I have to split. Reports are Kirby pull out a restraining order against him. You organ T. It look like say the Obia shun get him like him roll back in. And I go on like him mean. And Kirby say, boy, what you do pon the scene? 911, boy you hold me hand, boom bang bang, him fail, end up in the Cobb County Jail. I'm sorry to make a light of the situation, but listen to all my melanation. Men, don't go on like you can own your girlfriend. Men of the islands, refrain from bringing the cultural deprivation of being a controlling man to the foreign land, cause Uncle Sam will de-stripe you, just like how him did Major Stripe. Majah Hype lost a major stripe. He's now spending overnight at the Cobb County Jail. Test the system in America and it look like him fail. I'm Rastafari Soldier, ladies and gentlemen. Deep Roots TV. Subscribe, like, and share. I'm reporting here. Majah Hype, real name Nigel Theron Joseph, has been arrested. Simple battery, terroristic threat, and act. You know, say all him did was curse out the blouse and skirt police. And them make it sound like say he's the real beast. Big up on yourself. Subscribe, like, and share to the channel. Help me build up the Rasta Man panel. More life, more joy, and a more nappiness. Me I tell you no, stay blessed.
Yo, big up Deep Roots TV. You don't know a Lenky, you know. See if I'm out of fresh clean, hustling mode. You don't know. We just come my store still, you know what things say. Get to you, so you know what thing go. You know rich and the real thing. You mean action do it. Action and plan. Deep Roots TV, you know what thing go. Yeah, big up.
So from them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And they so black people put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy lightning and who roll the thunder? Deep Roots flashy lightning and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them well them fret and kill, look how much them put under. How much of the youth them well them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon Deep Roots full of say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rastaman and a real fire king. Whoa, fire king, Rastafari soldier and fire king. Yeah, balalang bang,
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure to tune in here every time.
Roots TV, tap in, Deep Roots TV. You already know what it is.
You don't know no Deep Roots TV, and a big up and a locking and tuning, sin. Rastafari, give thanks.